a little bit of thunderstorm activity right along the Gulf Coast, but you'll notice that we don't have any of those training thunderstorms that we had just a couple of days ago when we saw reports of several tornadoes. Now, that said, there is some severe weather that's erupting across Kansas tonight, extending into Nebraska, and that will be headed for the southeast next, so they aren't out of the woods entirely. Now, here in Arizona, as beautiful as can be, 100 degrees, what some people call the unofficial start of summer. I think it's a little cool for us for summertime to be at 100. So, and then sitting in the 90s already, it's not too bad outside. A little bit of cloud cover as we look at Camelback this afternoon, and temps across the valley, they're a little bit warmer right now than where we were sitting yesterday. We've warmed it up 4 degrees in Glendale, same for Goodyear. We are 3 degrees warmer in Deer Valley, couple degrees warmer in Phoenix, and a few degrees warmer at Gateway Airport as well. That said, temperatures will continue to be well above average for the next few days. We're going to be near the century mark for Thursday and potentially again on Friday. Now, for Thursday, we already start to see the winds increase ahead of a storm system that will impact us for a few days. This looks like it'll be relatively dry. We could see a few high-base thunderstorms tomorrow in high country. Valley's going to stay dry, though. But as that storm system moves through, we're going to experience some cooler temps just in time for your holiday weekend. Air quality warning is in effect for Maricopa County as well as Pinal County until 9 o'clock tonight. If you do have sensitivities have respiratory issues, maybe stay inside today. It's on the warm side anyway, so you can stay inside in that air conditioning. However, if you're going to venture outside and maybe enjoy a margarita celebrating Cinco de Mayo, here is the breakdown for the rest of the evening. If you're out on the patio enjoying that nice cold margarita at the 7 o'clock hour, you'll be in the mid-90s, or we'll be in the mid-90s. 8 o'clock hour, sun is down, but we're still holding on to those low 90s, upper 80s at 9 o'clock, and if you're still out partying at 10 o'clock at night, it's going to be in the mid-80s. So please celebrate safely. Remember to hydrate. It is warm out there. We've got mostly dry air coming in from the south, a little bit of high-level cloud cover, but nothing really in the way of moisture that you're going to feel. Instead, high pressure is still ruling, that ridge shifting farther east, but here comes that low as we get into your Thursday and Friday. Ahead of that storm is when we're seeing the wind starting to increase across high country. The system tracks to the north of us into your weekend, and that's where we're going to see some of those cooler temperatures. But for tomorrow, still warm. We're looking at 100 for the high, low 90s, what we should be seeing for the daily average. Cooling down a little on Friday with an advancing storm, but we really don't feel the cooler temps until Saturday when we're a little bit closer to the daily average, but it will be breezy across Arizona high country this weekend. Gusts are sustained winds, actually, mid-20s to mid-30s. Could see some gusts into the 40s. So just a heads up, Mother's Day here locally is looking great. We're looking at mid-90s. And then we've got some warmer temperatures in stores. We looked at the second line of that 10-day. Could have put the 100 up again, but I figured I'd give you guys time to adjust psychologically to this first day. We'll see how everyone does. And, you know, the artistic